Do you want to tag all your friends on your Facebook story? You can tag or mention everyone in a Facebook story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to tag all friends on Facebook story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. When you tag all friends in your Facebook stories, they receive a notification that they have been mentioned, which can help increase the visibility and engagement of your story. To tag all friends on a Facebook story at once. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on Create Story at the top left of the newsfeed. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, select a photo or video from your device gallery, or take a new one using the camera. Once you've chosen a picture or video, it will open on a new screen. You will see various options on the right side of the screen. From these options, tap on the text icon. Now type at the rate and choose Highlight from the pop-up list. This highlight feature will mention all of your friends and followers at once. Now, customize your story and tap on the Share button to post your story. Once you have posted your story, most of your friends will receive a notification that they are mentioned in a story. You can only use this feature once every 24 hours.